Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mahesh Kumar, and today my topic is tuberculosis of spine or POTS spine or POTS disease, a type of spine disease. What is spine? The spine is backbone or dorso or vertebral column or spinal column. It is a short process of bone, and the vertebral column or spinal column consists of 33 vertebrae: cervical 7, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, sacral 5, and caudal 4. 26 bone in an adult body because sacral is 1 and caudal is 1. The spinous process of spine feel on palpation and is assess the vertebrae segment on topical examination. The spine protects the spinal cord or nerve roots, maintain the upright postures of the body, and enable flexible motions of the body. The spine is the commonest site of bone TB and joint TB, and the common region involved in spine is the dorsolateral region. What is the disease of spine and what is tuberculosis? The tuberculosis discovered by Robert Koch in 1882. The causative agent is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and the common tuberculosis is the pulmonary TB, abdominal TB, bone TB, spine TB, joint TB. The tuberculosis is common chronic disease in India. The The spinal diseases includes tuberculosis, ankylosing spondylitis, disc prolapse, kyphosis, scoliosis, back pain, spina bifida, spinal tumors, and some other diseases like osteoporosis and Cauda-Equina syndrome, spinal muscular atrophy, lumbar spinal stenosis, etc. Spine tuberculosis or spinal TB or Pott's disease or Pott's spine is most common and dangerous form of skeletal TB. It described first by Percival Pott in 1714 to 1788. The spinal column is involved in less than 1% of all cases of tuberculosis, and Pott's spine is 50% of all cases of skeletal tuberculosis. Always secondary in nature because it is spread from the lungs or lymph nodes, and the lower thoracic and upper lower vertebra mostly affected are commonly dorsal spine involved in tuberculosis process. The spinal TB mostly associated with neurologic deficit due to compression of adjacent neural structure and significant spinal deformity. The early diagnosis and management must in these cases to prevent the complications and mostly seen in first 3 decades of life. The etiology of spine TB is the causative agent is tuberculous bacteria, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and the nature of the bacteria is gram-negative and acid-fast bacilli bacteria. The predisposing factors for spine TB is close contact of TB affected patients, unhygienic or poor personal care, malnutrition, immunocompromised, and past history of lungs TB. How it is spread? The spine TB occurs through spread by blood or hematogenous. The primary focus is mostly lungs, and bone and joint TB develop 2 to 3 years later after spreads, and TB of lungs is throat is contagious. It is spread mainly after contact with the infected TB patients or pulmonary tuberculosis patients, and is spread by a paravertebral disc of vein, that is the Batson plexus, which play important role and have free communication with visceral plexus, so spread easily. Features of Pott's spine is that bone TB severely affects the joints of the hips and knees and spine. Have variable features from non-specific back pain to paraplegia. The late diagnosed and have much complications due to later diagnosis. The spine TB is usually not infectious. It has general features, features in active phase and features in healed phase. The general features include back pain, local pain or tenderness. The stiffness or spasm at the local swelling site at the vertebrae region in affected sites. It is the most common complaint. And the cold abscess may develop in later cases. Deformity, spine prominence, gibbous prominent spinal deformity is seen. Paraplegia may occur, and the constitutional symptoms of general tuberculosis like fever, weight loss, etc. may be seen. In active phase, the mileage, loss of weight, loss of appetite, night sweats, evening rise temperature, persistent paraspinal muscle spasm, relaxes during sleep, and typical night cry, cold abscess, kyphosis is seen in active phases. In healed phases, there is no ill looking, no other symptoms, regain lost weight, deformity persists, stiffness seen, restricted range of motion present, and neurological deficit sign seen, and abscess or sinus may present. The diagnosis made by a two-way. First is examination and second is the investigation. A thorough clinical history and examination or history of tuberculosis finds in general cases. We examine the gait of the patients may alter, attitude and deformity may be present, paravertebral swelling seen in most of the cases, tenderness at the local sites, movement, restricted range of motions, and neurological examinations, general examination and physical examination required. Investigations in cases of Pott's spine. The investigations have blood investigations and radiological investigations. A positive skin test or Mantoux test or tuberculin skin test or Mantoux tuberculin test seen in positive in Pott's spine disease. The complete blood count shows leukocytosis, ESR raised, and the C-reactive proteins also investigated in this case because ESR and CRP are reliable parameters evaluating the response to treatment and prognosis of spinal tuberculosis. The primary site X-ray, the chest X-ray, X-ray QV also done in this case. The DNA amplification technique, polymerase chain reactions or PCR facilitate rapid and accurate diagnosis of the disease. In radiological investigations, the common findings are reduced disc space, cold abscess evidence, rare fraction of the vertebral or adjacent to lesion, unusual sign in lamina, pedicule and process of spine, and healing phase findings seen in radiological findings. The simple investigation is the plain X-ray spine, lateral or AP, shows significant bone destruction and kyphosis. The CT scan spine provides bony detail, extent of bone destructions, and find abscess lesion. MRI is the early diagnose and accurate evaluate the involvement of soft tissue and abscess formation. It evaluates type of extent of cord compression and it assesses the treatment prognosis. The bone biopsy is valuable. The CT guided fine needle aspiration cytology and open biopsy is helpful in diagnosing the disease. The bone scan and myelography is an important investigation to find the cause of the disease. Types of spinal TB includes paradiscal, central, anterior and posterior. The paradiscal spine TB is the prominent type in which it occurs in between the adjacent vertebrae intervening the disc affected. In central type, the body of vertebrae affected. In anterior type, the infection localized to anterior part of the vertebral body of spine. And the posterior type that is affect the posterior complex of vertebra includes spine process like transverse process, pedicule, lamina of the vertebrae. In regional distribution, the thoracolumbar and lumbar site is mostly affected. Differential diagnosis of the is, is the differential diagnosis of vertebral involvement because of pyogenic, tubercular, bacillar, and metastatic diseases. In the third column, the tubercular shows that the duration of illness 3 to 6 children and young adults, the lumbothoracic as per anatomical positions, and the vertebral bodies and the intervening disc extremes of tissues, soft tissues, etc. Common predisposing factors: exposure to tuberculous infections, common clinical features: fever, malaise, weight loss, backache, etc. Laboratory findings are the leukocytosis generally absent, raised DSR, C-reactive protein may be raised, and others. In imaging, test the destruction of the destruction of this vertebral bodies and disc space, rim enhancement of the soft tissue seen. Complications of Pott's spine is have cold abscess, paraplegia, kyphosis, gibbous, kyphus, collapse of vertebrae, relapse and recurrence rate of skeletal TB 2%. The kyphotic deformity is three types: Cunnicle, gibbous, and kyphus. The cunnicle is the prominence of one spinous process. Gibbous is the prominence of two or three spinal process, and kyphus is the diffuse roundening of the vertebral column. The prognosis of the Pott's spine? It depends on effective conservative and surgical treatment. Early diagnosis and adequate management is solicited. Generally good in patient without neurological deficit and deformity if the treatment is started in early phase, and mostly response with medical treatment. The younger age patients, the radical surgery and ATT, anti-tubercular therapy. The management of the Pott's spine. The aim of the management is to fast healing of the infection or lesion, preventive to control spread of tuberculosis, effective ATT treatment timely, early diagnosis and proper treatment able to complete cure, care of spine and early treatment of possible complications. Yeah, existing complications. The treatment includes the rest, promote natural healing and general care, decreased weight bearing on the diseased vertebral site, immobilization with the help of splint, bandage, etc. Aspiration, drainage and evacuation of abscess, cold abscess, use of anti-tubercular drugs, antibiotics as per others, and corrective spine surgery. The systematic treatment is ATT drugs. The surgical debridement is the careful debridement of the entire focus of infection and reconstruct for spinal stability. The management categorized in two groups. A. Spinal tuberculosis without neurological complications. The management is medical treatment and ATT is the drug of choice. The medical treatment includes anti-tubercular therapy, percutaneous biopsy, palliative care, pain management, and follow-up imaging. It indicated in diagnosed cases of tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis affected, one disc involvement, and the absence of neurologic deficit, instability, deformity, regardless of presence of paravertebral abscess. Presence of comorbidity like sepsis and coagulopathy also needs medical treatment. The second category is the spinal tuberculosis with neurological complications. Have the treatment of choice is the medical treatment plus surgical treatment. The surgical intervention when neurological deficit present, paravertebral abscess present, spine instability, kyphotic deformity are in progressive phase and not respond, may failed medical therapy to prevent or treat the complications or progressive complications. Patients with posterior complex disease and spinal tumor syndrome. In this, the laminectomy advised. ATT is anti-tuberculous therapy or anti-tuberculous chemotherapy. It is a combination of rifampicin, isoniazid, ethambutol, and pyrazinamide for 2 months, followed by a combination of rifampicin and isoniazid for a total period of 6, 9, 12, or 18 months. Is the most frequent protocol used for treatment of spinal TB. The ATT is a strong antibiotics. The WHO recommended treatment regimes are different disease categories: pulmonary tuberculosis and extrapulmonary tuberculosis. In category 3, now smear negative pulmonary tuberculosis and extrapulmonary tuberculosis, that is pulmonary tuberculosis other than lungs, have the regime 2R, HRJD and 4HR as mentioned by WHO is in the figures. Thanks for patience listening. Thank you to all of you.